Hello everyone, this is Sheshe. Today I am doing a card kit reveal video. It's called Under the Sea. This is an older collection, but I'm just doing some card kit series on my channel just to share with you some content. So inside this kit is the pieces you will need to create 3 cards. So here are the beautiful cards. It has the hibiscus flower, which is one of my favorite flowers. Here's another card, and here's the other card. Okay, so this one I don't believe has extra pieces. It just has the pieces you need to create the cards. So here are the pieces for this card right here. So just going to open this up so you can see what's inside. Now if I have a link to where you can pick up this kit, I will put it in the description box below. Otherwise, just enjoy the video of me creating the cards. So it appears there is some acetate inside for you to do the window, and there's this piece to make the card, as well as this piece. It's a beautiful paper. The card base is a top folding note card, and then there's some pieces for the flower. Apologize for the crinkling, but everything's in plastic bags. So here are the leaves. They're all cut out for you to color. I believe I'm going to change the colors of the flowers. I just think it should be a different color. And you can do whatever you want. It has suggestions, but I like to color my flowers a different color. So here are the flowers. Really pretty. And they're all in one little baggie. So it's all grouped together. And then you just count out how many flowers you need for each card. So this is what is needed for that particular card. Okay, so I've already shown you what the flowers look like, so I'll just share with you the cards and the card bases. There's some really pretty glitter, as well as some frills. Now it will be in that color family, but I just think the colors should be different, and you'll see when I do the videos what the color of the flowers will be, but it will be beautiful. Okay, so there is more acetate, so that's included, which is really nice. And here is another piece, and it says life with you is fantastic, which is cute. And then here's a layering piece which says life is better at the seaside. And then this one opens like that. So that's what's in the second card. And then this one is a pretty design. It says you are fantastic. So I'll open this up. It's really probably not much to see for this one, but I'll still open it so you can see what's in this one. Okay, so here's that piece, as well as this with this pierced edge going across. Really pretty papers, but I believe it goes this way. And then the card has this layering piece, and then it opens this way. So really nice there. Okay, so that is for that series, and I'll do 3 videos so you can follow along. Again, if I do have links for the card kits, I will link it in the description box below. Otherwise, enjoy the videos. Okay, so take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.